right, boys and girls, we have these 5 words today, and they have, if we look at the way the words are formed, they have quite a bit in common. Take a minute and visit at your tables or with a partner about what these words have in common. And teachers, if you need to, go ahead and stop the video because I'll pause for a moment, but then I'll move on. And then just start us up again when you're ready. One thing that I noticed about these words, boys and girls, is that they all have the same number of letters in each word. Each word has how many letters? Each word has 4 letters. Also, when I read through these and really listened to the sounds, I noticed something. Soak, coat, rope, road, toad. What sound is the same in every single word? That's right. O says its name. The long O sound is in every word. Now, if a vowel or a letter says its name, quite often it's 2 vowels working together. So I wanted to look here and see what 2 vowels were working together in each word to spell the O sound. What about soak? Visit with your partner about how the O sound is spelled in soak. You're right. O and A work together to make the long O sound. Soak. They're working together. Is the long O sound spelled the same in any of these other words? Okay. Coat is spelled the same, the O sound, as in soak. What else? You're right. In road, O and A work together to say O. Any more? In toad, O and A are working together to say the O sound. Great job. Now we have one word left. What is that? Rope. How is the O sound spelled in rope? There are 2 letters working together. Can you see what they are? Okay. We have super silent magic E is working with O to make O say its name. Rope. Something else that's the same in these words would be the number of syllables. They're all just how many? You're right. Each word has 1 syllable. And then I got to thinking, each of these words can be a thing. Any of these words can be a noun. But some of these words can be a noun. Well, that's not true. That's not true, Mrs. Witham. So let's go through. Soak. Is soak something, a person, place, or thing, or is it something you do? It's something you do. So I would call it a verb. I think you should too. What about coat? Can a coat be a person, place, or thing? Yeah, you can wear a coat, so it can be a noun. Can you coat something? When I'm painting something, if I cover it with a coat of paint, I'm coating it with paint. So it can be a verb too. What about rope? Can a rope be a person, place, or thing? It can be a thing, so it's a naming noun. Now, can you rope something? You bet. When I was at the Fonda Rodeo, I saw the cowboys roping calves. What about a road? Is it a person, place, or thing? Well, I can drive on a road, so it must be a thing, a noun. Now this one's tricky because you can also say, I rode the Ferris wheel, but it's not spelled the same way. So rode is not a verb. What about toad? Is a toad a person, place, or thing? You bet. So it's a naming noun. Now, can you toad? I don't think so. So we'll say that it's not a verb. Nice job, boys and girls, analyzing our words today.